Some places don't feel real.
In Norway, even the roads feel cinematic.
Silence feels different here.
Some places don't feel real. In Norway, even the roads feel cinematic. Silence feels different here. This place actually exists.
Every journey here feels unreal.
The cities move slowly here.
But they never feel empty.
Even modern Norway feels peaceful. History still breathes quietly here.
Norway was shaped by centuries of survival.
Life here learned to move with nature, and the ocean became part of everyday life. Norway turns every road into a masterpiece. Some places feel too perfect to exist.
Nature feels overwhelming here.
And somehow, everything still feels peaceful.
Norway feels untouched by time.
Even silence feels alive here.
People live closer to nature here.
And somehow, life never feels rushed.
Even modern Norway feels calm.
The city never tries too hard.
And maybe that's why it feels so different.
This place changes the way silence feels.
Some landscapes feel untouched by time.
Every turn reveals another world. Even the smallest villages feel unreal.
The cold changes the atmosphere completely. Nature feels powerful everywhere here.
Even the forests feel cinematic.
Water shapes this country.
And ice still rules these mountains.
Here, movement feels slow and peaceful.
Norway makes you feel small.
Some places feel forgotten by time. And then nature changes everything.
Even calm moments feel unreal here.
Every road feels
feels endless.
Life here moves with the ocean.
Even the nights feel peaceful here.
The light feels endless here.
Even the rain becomes part of the experience.
Norway never stops feeling unreal.
People here live close to nature. Even ordinary mornings feel calm here.
Modern life moves quietly in Norway.
The city blends naturally with the landscape.
And sometimes the sky becomes unreal.
Some places stay with you forever. Norway doesn't try to impress you.
It simply exists like this.
And somehow, it still feels unreal. You don't just visit Norway, you feel it.